Hey guys, it's Mitrin. Thanks for joining me again. So last video, I don't know if you guys saw it or not, I told you guys I'd be getting in a special treat. I've been waiting for this for a while now. I ordered it on May 6th, so been having a little bit of a hard time sleeping, waiting for this thing, but it's finally here. So it's the Oculus Rift S, and I just wanted to do a quick unboxing for you guys. I know that some of you guys may be anticipating it as much as I have. I've watched like tons of videos, 20 plus videos about this and about other virtual reality systems, just seeing, what are the pluses and pluses and minuses of them. Today we're just going to do a quick unboxing, and maybe later I will be doing a few videos of the actual Rift itself. I may be doing a quick review of what I think of it, and I'll also show you guys a few games, probably stream online. But let's dive in. So this is the box. Just picked it up from Best Buy. Beautiful box. I mean, just beautiful box. When I saw it, it was just like, just super excited. On the top, it kind of talks about what it comes with. One thing that you do want to keep in mind is it does come with the display port that you'll be using is either a mini display port, and it also comes with a display port adapter. So a mini display port or regular display port are the two types, right? So keep that in mind. So if you don't have DisplayPort, this will not work with your computer, regardless of what the software of Oculus tells you, right? Back side, right here, kind of has a little bit about what the system is for. It shows a few of their trademark games. Beat Saber's really cool. I've heard this is also really cool. I may be getting this, and a few other games as well. I think here it also talks about the minimum requirements. Like I said, there is a tool online on the Oculus website that you can download, and it will scan your computer and tell you if it can run it or not. But regardless of that, remember, if you do not have the display port or mini display port, it doesn't matter if your computer can handle it. You won't be able to plug in unless you get an adapter. So let's open it up. All right, famous Oculus logo. I think it's on the bottom here. This pops open. I think. Maybe not. How do we get this thing? Oh, top. All right. Wow. All right, there she is. All right, so it looks like we've got there's the adapter. So it's the mini display to display. So this is the adapter. So this comes with the display port right there. So you've got, I don't know if you guys can see. Can you guys see that? There's the display port, and then the one USB drives, powers, and then the display port displays all of your video and audio. Of course, you got the two controllers, and some of you guys may notice that the controllers are a little different from the original Rift. The original Rift, the rings went on the bottom, and these new ones, they are on the top. And from what I've been reading and seeing online, apparently they did that so that the cameras, because this is an inside out, right? The original one was an outside in, meaning that you had different towers or camera towers that you had to install in your room, and that would then record what you're doing as you're playing. Well, this one is an inside out, so meaning that it has 5 different cameras. One on the top for kind of grabbing the motions over your head, like if you're grabbing a different weapon or whatever in some of the games, and then one on the side, another one on the other side, and then 2 in the front, so that you can do what they call the pass through, which I'll be showing you guys once we get it online. But because of that, these controllers actually shine out like some sort of ultraviolet light that your eyes can't see, but these cameras can see, and that's why they put it on the top, right? Really cool. It's batteries going here, and this is just a little magnetic clip. It just kind of clips on, which is, I thought it was kind of cool. And yeah, I mean, really cool, really light. These are a little bit smaller than the original ones, and they're a little lighter, so that's really cool. And the headset itself is actually not that bad. I didn't really know what to expect. I watched a few videos and some of the guys said it was a little bit heavier than the original Rift because it has this halo. But honestly, it's really not that heavy. And obviously, you got to consider that the cable is really heavy. So once we get this cable off, I mean, honestly, that's not bad. Not bad at all. And I'm thinking about getting a Quest here, so we'll definitely compare that as well. But... And then the other thing that you guys, I want to tell you guys, so instead of the older version had a little headphone, these are the actual speakers. So I've heard that they're okay, they're not the best out there, and it does have a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, so you can plug in your own headphones. Yeah. And then in here, I think I showed you guys everything. I mean, I don't know. There's the adapter, and then setup, and then a manual of some sort. Yeah, your like warranty manuals. Oh, batteries for the controllers, and that's it. That's really it. Guys, you have no idea. I am so excited. I honestly... So we actually went to Best Buy and I asked them if they had an adapter for it because I have an Asus laptop. It's a great laptop, but it doesn't have a display port. So I actually ordered the display port, but I'm not at my house right now. And I really wanted to play it with my friends and I couldn't because I don't have the adapter to plug it in. So we went around town looking for it, couldn't find it. So keep in mind, just keep that in mind, that you guys have no idea how excited I am to get this thing rocking and rolling. But we'll do another video. Thank you for joining me today. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up or a like. If you liked it even more, feel free to subscribe and click the bell button so you can get notifications of when I stream next time. Thank you again. My name is Mitrin. Hope you guys have a great day.